Meaning of deferentially.
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 Deferentially. The term deferentially refers to behavior that shows respect or submission towards someone of higher status or authority. It can be characterized by a courteous and considerate attitude or manner as well as an inclination towards compliance and deference. People who act deferentially towards others often display gestures and speech that demonstrate their recognition of the other person's position or rank. This type of behavior can occur in a variety of settings, such as business meetings, social events, and even daily interactions. Essentially, acting deferentially is a way of displaying politeness and showing acknowledgement of another person's superiority.